drawn, hitting out at the BJP MPs for drawing linkages between Soros and Rahul Gandhi. Congress has called on the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, alleging that defamatory remarks were made against the leader of the opposition and the Speaker should intervene and this matter and the uphold also when it comes to the dignity and integrity of parliamentary system.
When Mr. Nishikant Dubey made an outrageous statement in which he violated at least 3 clear rules of the parliament. Number 1, you cannot attack people in a defamatory manner. Number 2, you cannot take anyone's name without giving them notice in writing in advance. And number 3, you cannot assault the parliamentary privilege of an MP. He violated all those 3 rules and he was allowed to go on speaking and ranting for quite some time. So we objected to that. The House was initially adjourned. We went to see the Speaker and we said, look, this has to be expunged from the record. The person must apologize. You can't do this kind of thing. That has still not happened.
The same story, whenever we are asking inquiry against Adani's corruption, this type of character assassination from that side will come. That we know that. But we will continue to fight against the corruption. They cannot distract this issue from the nation. There only one idea, to distract the nation from this idea. They are trying to threaten us. Come what may, we will raise it. But you have to understand there are parliamentary procedures and norms and conventions which are totally violating by the treasury side. This parliament is only for government, not for opposition.
Let's get in a word from Nyamika, who's joining us live right now. Nyamika, good morning. It seems that the BJP is trying to turn the tables on the Congress party here because they have been calling it as a triangular nexus. On one side, George Soros, we are looking at other agencies of America, and on the other side, he's naming, as far as the BJP MP Sambit Patra is concerned, directly at Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition.
Well, good morning, Amita. And clearly we have seen that this is basically a counter-allegation which is being levelled against the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi by the BJP. As yesterday only we have seen that how the entire opposition had unitedly held a protest which was being led by the Congress party, in which they had put up a sticker upon their jackets in which it was being quoted clearly, "Jab tak Modi Adani ek hai, tab tak safe hai." So that was the allegation which was being levelled by the Congress party yesterday against the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and for that reason now a counter attack is coming in on the part of the BJP, in which the BJP leaders, including Sambit Patra as well as Nishikant Dubey, had made this allegation that there is a triangular nexus which is going on between George Soros, Rahul Gandhi, and also the other agencies of US, which they have named as OCCRP, as they have said that these all of them are basically working to create a divide within the country. These people are having anti-India mindset, anti-India ideas, and that is the reason why such kind of reports are coming in just ahead of any parliament session, and that is the reason why this question was also being raised by the BJP within the parliament. As for that reason now it is the Congress party which had started raising a concern regarding this entire matter, as they are saying that these are the defamatory remarks which are being made by the BJP leaders, and they have also sought an intervention on the part of the Speaker of Lok Sabha, as it is the Congress party's Lok Sabha MP Manikam Tagore, who has also written a letter to Mr. Om Birla seeking an intervention into this entire issue, as they are saying that
about that because more on that, as far as the Parliament showdown is concerned, that is expected to continue. As far as if even we talk about George Soros being a controversial figure here in India, with the BJP often accusing him of funding anti-India elements and supporting regime change across the world to push the agenda. But over the past several months, the BJP, which is now linked Congress to George Soros and to criticisms of the government on the issues like Pegasus and Covaxin, based on certain reports by the OCCRP. Let's in the meantime talk about when it comes to this link, the triangular link that the BJP in particular wants to talk about. They have been claiming a link between Soros, OCCRP and Rahul Gandhi of the Congress party. Now going on to say that as far as George Soros, who is a Hungarian-American businessman, he has his NGO, which is called the Open Society Funds, or the OCCRP, as far as which is a remote controlling anti-India tirade. Now, he also, when it comes to the agency, as far as OCCRP is concerned, it claims to be independent, but there are certain reports on crime, corruption, French report, which apparently US funds the OCCRP. There are several links that are now coming across as far as Salil Shetty is concerned. He's the VP of Soros-linked Open Society. However, the BJP here seems to be directly linking Rahul Gandhi's and Soros's link as clear. There's the reactions that have been coming on part of the BJP, where they have been raising questions on part of George Soros and Rahul Gandhi's link here.